Okay. I'm making a new recipe of slime again. This time I'm using Play-Doh though. So first you put the water, cup of water, three water, and then you put some soap. Just put a bunch of soap in there. Got the spoon. Got my spoon. And then we put some soap. I don't think I was meant to put water, but if you do enough soap. Scoop this up, and then keep scooping, and then is it one of these? No, it's empty. Doesn't work, then it's fine because it's all about experimenting. memory. So make a slime experiment. I'll use this one instead. Almost there. There. Maybe put some more in. Scoop it up. Dump it in. And make sure you get like all, if you accidentally put water, make sure you put it all over the water so the water just rise up. Keep putting it in. Keep putting it in. There. Put all of this. I think we might, you know what? I have a better idea. No, it's not gonna work. I just realized. It's not working. Sort of. There's still more stuff in this one, but it's just and it's like a line, so it starts sort of get hard pieces. Oh, it worked. Let's mix it in with here. Break it. Start mixing it. I'm sorry what happened. The thing just shut off. It died out of battery. And the slime came out good. Right here.